All right, today we're doing fast math number 20. So the first one says, put an X through the set that has more circles. Number 2, circle the cherries that are above the line. The next part says, what number comes next? So after 3, write the number that comes next. Go ahead and do all of those. And our story problem today says Linda has 3 gold rings and 7 silver rings. How many rings does she have in all? Push pause if you need to finish, otherwise we're going to get correcting. The first one, which put an X through the set that has more circles. Now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. So this one has more. The next part, circle the cherries that are above the line. Here's our line. And these are above it. All right, after 3 comes, you got it, 4. After 11 comes 12. After 7 comes 8. After 18 comes 19. After 15 comes 16. And after 12 comes 13. All right, our story problem. Linda has 3 gold rings and 7 silver rings. How many rings does she have in all? So today, in all is our hint. And whenever we want to know how many in all, that means we are adding. So we're going to put our plus sign. The numbers we know are 3, and 7. And our addition problem is going to be 3 plus 7 equals blank. So let's try this. 7 is our bigger number, so we're starting with 7 and counting up 3 more. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. So she has 10 rings in all. So I'm going to write Linda, Linda, has 10 rings. And make sure you have your period at the end. Great job, first graders!